Schwinn LED Bike Lights. The Schwinn LED Bike Lights is a high-quality product that offers exceptional features and functionality for all bike enthusiasts. With its impressive color options, 272-foot beam distance, and professional design, this product is sure to enhance the safety and visibility of any rider. One of the standout features of the Schwinn LED bike lights is its powerful brightness, which reaches up to 100 lumens. This ensures that the rider is visible even in low-light conditions, greatly reducing the risk of accidents or collisions. Whether you're biking during dawn, dusk, or nighttime, these lights will significantly enhance your safety on the road. The bike lights are powered by batteries, providing convenience and flexibility for riders. This allows for effortless installation and easy replacement when needed. With a mounting type designed specifically for handlebars, these lights securely attach to your bike, ensuring they stay in place even on bumpy terrains.